The turboprop engine TV7-117 ST01 has marked a significant technological milestone for the Russian aviation industry. Developed by UEC Klimov under the United Engine Corporation, this engine has now been approved to extend the service life of its main components to 777 flight cycles. This achievement is not just a technical upgrade, but a clear signal of Russia's ongoing push to improve reliability, reduce operational costs, and strengthen self-sufficiency in regional aviation. As this development unfolds, the engine is set to power the modernized Ilyushin Il-114-300, an aircraft specifically designed for regional routes, especially in remote and challenging environments. For altitude addicts, this marks an important moment where engineering ambition meets real-world aviation needs. To better understand the significance of this milestone, it becomes important to explore what a cycle actually means in aviation. A cycle represents a complete operational sequence of an engine, starting from ignition and taxi, moving through takeoff and cruise, and ending with descent and landing. Unlike flight hours, cycles reflect the true stress experienced by an engine, since the most intense wear occurs during takeoff and landing. With the increase to 777 cycles, the engine can now endure a greater number of stress events before requiring its first major overhaul. This translates directly into operational and economic benefits. Regional aircraft, which operate short and frequent flights, accumulate cycles much faster than ours, making this improvement especially important. As a result, maintenance frequency is reduced, operational costs decrease, and aircraft availability improves. Airlines benefit from higher efficiency and better profitability, particularly on routes with frequent takeoffs and landings. Moving forward from this milestone, the 777 cycle certification is not the final destination, but rather an intermediate step in a broader reliability roadmap. Engineers are already aiming for 2,000 cycles in the next phase, with long-term ambitions to match global standards. This gradual and structured approach reflects a cautious, data-driven certification philosophy. Instead of rushing toward higher limits, designers validate performance step by step through testing and real-world operations. For altitude addicts, this is where engineering discipline becomes just as important as innovation. Each increase in service life is backed by rigorous validation, ensuring reduced risk of failures and building long-term confidence among operators. Looking deeper into the technology behind this progress, the TV7-117 ST01 incorporates several key engineering innovations. One of its most important features is its modular architecture, which allows individual components to be replaced without dismantling the entire engine. This significantly reduces maintenance time and cost. In addition to that, the engine uses advanced digital modeling and predictive diagnostics, often referred to as a digital twin approach. Engineers can simulate operating conditions, monitor wear patterns, and optimize maintenance schedules, improving reliability over time. The engine also features a free turbine design, separating the turbine that drives the compressor from the one that drives the propeller. This improves efficiency, reduces mechanical stress, and enhances operational flexibility. All these advancements have been validated through extensive testing. The engine has undergone endurance trials, extreme climate testing, and simulations that replicate real-world flight conditions. Beyond controlled testing environments, the engine has also proven itself in real-world operations. It has successfully powered certification flights of the Il-114-300 across a variety of conditions. In early 2026, the engine demonstrated its reliability during a long-distance flight to India, maintaining stable performance across diverse climates. It has also been tested extensively in northern regions, operating in extremely low temperatures. These real-world validations are critical, as regional aircraft often operate in remote areas with limited infrastructure and challenging weather conditions. The engine is paired with the advanced AV112-114 propeller, which enhances thrust and improves takeoff and climb performance. This allows the aircraft to operate effectively from shorter and less developed runways. To truly understand where this engine stands, it is essential to compare it with established global turboprop engines. The Pratt & Whitney Canada PW127 is widely regarded as a benchmark in regional aviation, offering high durability and long maintenance intervals. With a time between overhaul ranging from 10,000 to 14,000 hours and cycle capabilities often exceeding 10,000 to 20,000 cycles, the PW127 has benefited from decades of refinement. Similarly, the General Electric CT7 has built a strong reputation for reliability across both civil and military platforms. It typically operates with a time between overhaul of 8,000 to 12,000 hours and cycle capabilities ranging from 8,000 to 15,000 cycles. In comparison, the TV7-117 ST01 is still in the early stages of its life cycle development. Its current 777 cycle limit is lower than these mature engines, but this is expected for a newer design undergoing certification expansion. What truly sets it apart is the pace of development. While Western engines reached high cycle limits over decades, this program aims to accelerate progress through advanced simulations and intensive testing. From an economic perspective, the increase in cycle life has major implications for airlines. Maintenance is one of the largest costs in aviation, and extending service intervals directly reduces expenses. Fewer overhauls mean aircraft can remain in service longer, improving utilization rates. This is especially important for regional routes, where profit margins are often tight. The modular design further enhances efficiency by enabling faster repairs and reducing downtime. Operators can avoid the logistical burden of full engine overhauls. For altitude addicts, this is where engineering meets economics, shaping the real-world viability of an aircraft program. On a broader scale, this engine plays a strategic role in Russia's aviation ambitions. It supports the goal of technological independence, reducing reliance on foreign suppliers for critical components. The IL-1 powered by this engine, is central to that strategy, offering a domestic solution for regional connectivity. By controlling production, maintenance, and supply chains, Russia strengthens its aviation sector and reduces vulnerability to external disruptions. Looking ahead, the next major milestone is reaching 2,000 cycles. Achieving this will bring the engine closer to global standards and increase its appeal to operators. Future improvements are expected to focus on materials, cooling technologies, and aerodynamic efficiency. Continued operational data will be key in validating higher limits. In the long term, the engine could become a competitive option not just domestically, but also in export markets seeking cost-effective turboprop solutions. Ultimately, the extension to 777 cycles represents more than a technical milestone. It reflects a broader transformation in the aviation industry, combining traditional engineering expertise with modern innovation. While the engine has not yet reached the maturity of its Western counterparts, its steady progress highlights strong potential. The journey ahead will determine whether it can truly compete on the global stage. In the end, this milestone is not the destination, but the foundation for future growth, reliability, and long-term competitiveness. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.